la la la, Sparky Lady, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, production. Hi, I don't know why I had to move to this new school. Well, it's just because you had to move here, okay? Like, well, hi, Curly. Well, see, someone in this family seems to be happy today. Oh, here come the kittens. Oh, they're cute. Don't you think they're cute? Yeah, they're cute. Well, what's the deal with that? I don't know. Come here, pretty. Okay, let me talk to you. Here, let me sit down now, okay? Okay, so I don't get it. I hope you feel better in a few weeks. Yeah, I probably will. Oh, well, let's get on our DSI and iPhone and play. Okay, yay! La 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 la. Sisters forever, sisters forever.